Hello students, this is Professor Fernatovich and this is an introductory video for Lab 1. As you can see here, I'm on the Moodle site and this is for Lab 1. I toggle down, there's a little welcome there. Hello, welcome. And today's lab will be safety and measurements. So to start this off, you're watching this Lab 1 intro video by your professor. We don't have any remote class meetings, as I mentioned earlier. If you would like to Zoom with me or have a Google Meet, I'm more than happy to do that. But because we're online and asynchronous, everyone's doing this at different times, and that's okay. For this lab, you will need to log into the McGraw-Hill Virtual Lab Connect and set up your account. I'll show you what that looks like here. You will likely be directed to this page where you will register. And when you get into the class, you'll see a list of assignments. The first thing to do after you register is do the tutorial. This will really show you what this program is about in the virtual labs and what the um, how to manage with the virtual labs, what means what, and how to drag and drop things. It's fairly intuitive, but the tutorial is very helpful. Then we have a series of labs to do with Lab 1. These are fairly short, 15-minute little labs on measurements, measuring length, temperature, weight, volume, and there's an assignment to go along with this. So that's one part of Lab 1. Another part is doing the measurement lab activities, which is a page here on Moodle. So I'll click on that and it brings us over to the page. There's background material to read, and then you will do some metric conversions, looking within the metric system, converting from centimeters to millimeters. There's some practice problems at the end of this as well. And then you're going to measure length of your height and foot length of your right foot. With this, you will use a ruler, so you'll need a ruler, and you will import your data in centimeters to our Google page, and there's a link in here for that. I also have a video embedded in here on graphing. So once we collect the class data in the Google Drive doc, you can graph all the class data for me and look at the correlation. So that will be Lab 1. There's also a video on here for metric conversion. It's a link to what's on the lab activity page, and also some optional metric practice problems I also included here. Now next week, or in Lab 2, at the beginning, you'll start off with a quiz on Lab 1. So feel free to go back to any material. The quiz will be closed book, closed note, closed internet browser. So go through this all very thoroughly and let me know if you have any questions.